Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. It's that time again to take out your summer clothes and put your winter ones away. And the best way to do it is to use Cozy Essential vacuum storage bags. I really love that this pack comes with travel roll-up bags. No vacuum needed to compress your clothes so souvenirs can fit in your luggage on the way back from my vacations. With 5 different sizes, we really have every size we need for change of season storage. I feel very accomplished and organized with this 20-pack from Cozy Essential, especially with the jumbo size. Since it is very cold where I live, we use lots of comforters. With this jumbo size, I can easily store my winter comforters and blankets away. It really helps with our shortage of closet space. I love this 20-pack set. It really takes care of all of my needs and even more my family's needs. I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.